How to convert a NumPy array to PIL image applying matplotlib colormap. I have a simple problem, but I cannot find a good solution to it. I want to take a NumPy 2D array which represents a grayscale image and convert it to an RGB PIL image while applying some of the matplotlib color maps. I can get a reasonable ping output by using the python.figure.figimage command. Although I could adapt this to get what I want, probably using stringio to get the PIL image, I wondered if there is not a simpler way to do that, since it seems to be a very natural problem of image visualization. Let's say something like this.
Quite a busy one-liner, but here it is. First, ensure your NumPy array, myArray, is normalized with the max value at 1.0. Apply the color map directly to myArray, rescale to the 0 to 255 range, convert to integers, using np.wint8. Use image.fromArray. And you're done. With plt.savefig. With im.save.
Input equals NumPy_image. np.wint8 converts to integers. Convert RGB converts to RGB. Image.fromArray returns an image object.
The method described in the accepted answer didn't work for me even after applying changes mentioned in its comments. But the below simple code worked. np_array could be either a 2D array with values from 0, 1 floats 020, 255 and 8, and in that case it needs CMAP. For 3D arrays, CMAP will be ignored.